Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you here. Stan, your moving forward and goal success coach. Now, today is all about coming up with a new morning game plan. Now that you have a pretty good idea of what you want to do in the morning and what you don't want or need to do or where to find the extra time that's needed, it's time to put it all together in a new morning game plan. The best place to start is with a new set of tasks that are the most important to you. Stephen Covey would call them the big rocks, and we put the big rocks in first. Figure out the preliminary time in which you want to get these accomplished. And if your goal is to run in the morning, then you might decide to do that first thing before having a shower or breakfast. Or if your goal is to meditate each morning, you might decide that it would work best after you've had a cup of coffee. And if your goal is to find some time for reading or your favourite hobby in the morning, you could carve out some time before everybody else gets up. And while you enjoy that first cup of coffee, the same goes with wanting time in the morning to work on your business or learn something new. Then work the rest of your morning chores around these new plans. And it may take some shuffling around and mixing up of your current routine, but with a little creative thinking and a bit of flexibility, I'm sure you can come up with a working plan. Now, making over your morning and turning it into a new routine isn't something that comes naturally to most of us, and it takes a little while to get into the groove of things. And we look at this more in detail next time. For right now, my suggestion is that you write down your new morning game plan. It's easy to forget what you're planning to do, and writing it down will not only give you a reference to refer back to, but also solidify your new plan in your mind and put the note or the notepad where you can see it, where you've jotted down your new plan on the night table or someone else where you'll see it in the morning, like on the table. And it will serve as a reminder of what you're intending to do and to do differently in the morning from now on. Now, even though you've written your plan down, it's important to realise that it's not written in stone. And the best well laid out plans don't always work and go when you put it into action. So adjust and make changes until you come up with a new morning game plan that works for you and for the rest of your family. And once you have it, it's time to make the new routine. So something we'll talk about next time. Until then, carry on with a new morning routine. For life is an adventure, create an extraordinary one.